Hi everyone, and welcome back to Teaching Bee. So today's lesson we are going to be learning the letter I and creating an activity which will be making insects with your toddlers. So the supplies that we will be needing for the project will be paper, pom-poms, glue, popsicle sticks, some googly eyes, a pair of scissors, and pen or pencil or marker. So when creating this, there's a few things that we always can do before your toddler comes out to do the project. And what I went ahead and did was for the popsicle sticks, I fused two of them together by just putting a little bit of construction paper on the back and gluing it in place and letting it dry so that it's ready to go. The reason why I did this is I wanted to make a bigger surface area so that we can work with the activity as opposed to doing it on the smaller. I do know there are activity based popsicle sticks that are already on the thicker side, but I just don't have those. So I went ahead and did this. So with the insects, we're going to be adding some googly eyes to the pom-pom. So they're ready to go. And then your toddler can just simply add them to the top of the insect. Another thing is we're working with 3 different insects. So we're going to be making a dragonfly, a bumblebee, and a caterpillar. So I went ahead and made a couple of wings. So the dragonfly wings and the bee wings. And also for the bee was they do have antennas. And I don't have any pipe cleaners, so pipe cleaners would be great to make antennas, to make little insect legs, to do both. But I went ahead and just did some construction paper and had them ready to go so that when we do our project is I can just simply attach them and make it where it needs to be. So from there, what we will do is we will have our toddler just put the pom-poms anywhere where the glue is at. And they can do any order that they want and add them that way. And then we'll just add our little final touches to your insects.
What are we going to do?
So today we're learning the letter I. And I is for insects. We're going to make a caterpillar.
Mama.
You want to make a caterpillar with me?
1,
yeah,
2.
Yeah, I have 2.
Us 2.
You are 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to glue this on for me?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to leave that there. Hold on to your little guy. And then right where I put the glue, can you put the head on right there?
Where does this go?
Right there. Good job. Now we have part of a caterpillar. You want to finish him off?
Yeah.
Okay. So you get to choose between all of these. And watch. Where I put the glue is where you can put those pom-poms. All right. Go for it.
Yeah.
Good.
I put a black one.
Black ones on? Sure. Can I do one with you? I'm going to make a bumblebee while you do your caterpillar.
Mama, what is this?
That's going to be a dragonfly.
That wouldn't have pom-poms.
Yeah, so keep going on your caterpillar though. And then I'll let you do the dragonfly too.
Little one and black one.
Yeah, and then I'm going to do a bumblebee. So I want to make one with you. So we're learning about insects today.
Mama, I'm doing it.
You are? You're doing really good.
I'm doing it.
Good job. So we gotta let this one dry, but we have a caterpillar.
Yeah.
So you continue. Can you put some on your dragonfly for me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a bumblebee over here.
I will do a dragonfly.
That sounds good.
Purple.
Insects start with the letter
Mom,
I.
dragonflies need purple.
Ooh, that sounds good. Okay, put it back up. Right there. Squish, squish. Okay. So don't lift it up yet because we gotta let it dry. What other colors do you want to put on your dragonfly?
Orange.
Okay.
And blue.
So this project is a great one to also incorporate colors, maybe some patterns, counting, all kinds of great stuff. And we made a dragonfly. Can we show?
Yeah.
Yeah, we made dragonfly.
Mama, dragonflies is my favorite.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I just do that all myself.
You did. High five. Good job. So these are insects, and insects start with the letter I.
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 Yeah.
So So when all these bugs are dry, we can fly them around the house. The caterpillar doesn't fly though, so he goes like this. But he eventually can fly because he turns into a butterfly.
And this is the butterfly.
That one's gonna be a bumblebee. I guess it could be a butterfly, huh? Yeah.
This is the dragonfly.
And that's a dragonfly.
Mama, you want to see it?
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, what's that one?
Caterpillar.
Your caterpillar. Okay, what's the other ones you got?
The dragonfly.
A dragonfly.
Bamboo bee.
Yeah. So if you haven't done so already, please check out my channel, hit the subscribe button. I do have activities for other letters of the alphabet as well, so go ahead and give that a look. And as always, have a great day.